Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share my fall night routine with you. I love fall. I love just the cozy feels. And last year I didn't get to really decorate for fall because we were redoing our floors and everything, so I'm super excited for this year. So today was actually a really fun day. We started in the office with a team photo shoot, so we made everyone wear jeans and white, and then we actually surprised Erica on our team with an impromptu bridal shower, happy hour, which was really, really fun. I snuck off during the day though to go to Home Goods because when I was looking for my fall decorations, like I said, last year I didn't get to decorate. So I didn't know where they all were and I didn't know exactly what I had. So I just wanted to like peek in Home Goods and it felt so good. I haven't been in one for so long. And it just like the candles, the decor, like everything just makes me so happy. I feel like I was a little bit out of practice and they didn't have as cute of stuff as I expected, but it was still okay. All right, then after that, we went to happy hour with our whole team. This is one of our favorite restaurants. It's called Mayfield. They have the best food, amazing drinks. So we went to celebrate Erica before she was gone for a couple weeks getting married. Ryan and I are actually going up to LA for an event and doing a lot of sampling with LSF Nutrition. So my car is loaded with smoothie supplies. But I did manage to get a few good things at Home Goods, so I'll show you guys everything once I get inside. I can already tell it's starting to be fall because it's getting almost dark by the time I get home, which it used to be sunny still for like hours. All right, so I'm gonna set all this stuff down, and then you guys saw I got a new HelloFresh delivery. I've been loving them this year. Truly, like going back to the office, it has been such a time saver for me. It just really makes a huge difference to be able to have like healthy, nutritious meals that are LSF approved, but that I don't have to worry about getting to the grocery store and doing all the meal prep. And it is a loaded box, like we don't mess around. So I'll show you guys what I got. I got 3 different meals and I actually get the portions for 4. So Ryan and I have leftovers for lunch and everything, which makes it really, really easy. But what I love about it is all portioned out so that like you don't have any food waste. It's super sustainable. You know exactly what you have and what you need, which is really great. So I love being able to partner with them to share my routines with you guys. And I do have a discount code for you. So you can get actually $14 off across your first 5 boxes with code 14LSF. I'll put that down below. And all I want to do right now is start decorating, but I do need to shower. I got a little sweaty today. Even though it's fall, it's still pretty toasty here. And honestly, I don't know the last time I wore jeans for like a full 9 hours. So I could not wait to get those things off. And the shower just felt like really, really nice. So like I said, it's still kind of warm here. So I'm still in like shorts and t-shirts during the fall, but hopefully it'll start getting cold enough that I can like light a fire at some point here and get all of the real fall vibes. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna head into the garage and try to find the rest of my fall decorations because I didn't really find that much at Home Goods. Like I was hoping to find a ton and I didn't. I love all those pumpkins. Those are actually old Home Goods, but they feel a little bit more Thanksgiving and I'm not like ready for that. I wanna go more fall into Halloween and just like spread that time out since I didn't get to do it last year. So this is my little box. It's mostly Halloween. It has a couple Thanksgiving things in them. This is perfect. It actually was like right in the front of the rafters. I just didn't want to have to go up there yesterday. So luckily I had Ryan help me and it's actually pretty heavy. But I take that into the living room and I'm going to take a little peek and see what all's in there. I always turn on all the lights in the living room when we get home because I just want it to feel like bright and cheery and not like dark and fall asleep because it is not time to sleep yet. Okay, so I got these cute pillows. I'm not totally sure where I'm gonna put them, but somewhere. And then essential oils that are like all fall flavors, scents. And these candles, my sister always gets these for me and they smell so good. And they actually like really last a long time and fill up your house. How cute was that hanging with my Nomies? I just love it. So I grabbed a couple for myself and a couple to give as gifts. So I'm gonna light that and just like start to set the mood because that's like the best part of a fall night is all of the smells. There's just like, you know, like cinnamon and apple and it just makes you automatically feel like, okay, we're in a new season. I'm trying to figure out what to do with these pillows because I really liked them and they were kind of like an untraditional fall, you know, kind of Halloween-y, but not like actually like spooky or anything. So I'll figure that out. And you guys know I always complain, Ryan always leaves this pile of clothes on the side of the bed, always. So I moved them onto the bed thinking he would put them away, and then he didn't. So now I'm just putting them away because otherwise it'll drive me crazy. He's fine. He is not bothered by it, clearly, but it drives me absolutely nuts. All right, so I always put on some chill, like jazzy music during fall. I feel like I literally have music for all of my different moods. Like summer, it's a little bit more like poppy chill. And then in fall, I always start to get into like jazz music. So I'll have that playing and like fill up the house with my music and my candle and then start to make dinner. So these are the different meals. It gives you like super clear, easy to follow instructions, which I love. Like you don't need to overcomplicate it. I'm gonna have a big glass of water because I realize I've not been hydrating enough and my nails also are nasty. I need to go get them done so bad. So I'm gonna start to pull everything out to prep, but again, it's pretty easy. And we're doing pasta tonight. So I don't often eat just like normal pasta. I'll do like lentil pasta or zucchini noodles or something like that. Look at this great trick that Ryan taught me, by the way. You just smash it and it comes right out. But anytime I have pasta that is like from Italy, my stomach doesn't get bothered. And that's the main reason I don't eat it often, is like the gluten and stuff usually will upset my stomach. But this pasta that HelloFresh sent is from Italy, like giving it a go, using just a little salt and pepper and lemon pepper on my chicken. And then I just get everything in their own pan so that it makes it nice and easy, chopping the zucchini, putting them in there. And I'm gonna have a glass of wine while I wait. Because I don't know, I feel like in fall, all I want is red wine. And this is my favorite. It's called Phantom. It is so delicious. It's not expensive. It's like $14 or $15 a bottle. So it's not like super cheap, but it's not a pricey bottle. And this is like the perfect fall decorating night. I'm so excited I get to show you guys all my decorations. Okay, so as I start to pull them out, you'll see some of my favorites and you'll understand why I was kind of disappointed at Home Goods when I went today, because all of my stuff I have, literally all of it, is from Home Goods. Like at some point in time over history, I've collected different things. Look how cute those are. And they just had nothing like this. Like everything they had was very basic or like kind of old feeling, and I didn't like it. So I love changing my pillows and like the look of things all the time. So I just get pillow covers to like be able to swap them out and not have to have 20 giant pillows all over my house. And then I just will start arranging stuff. There's no really rhyme or reason to how I decorate it, but I like to kind of have things even on both sides, like a little bit of height, some stuff shorter. These are just little black leaves that I love, so I'll put those like around everywhere, and it kind of just creates a little scene, and it feels like a little spooky and cute, and that's what I like. I don't like scary Halloween, especially like think about it at night. Like, no, I don't want that. So I just like cute, fun Halloween and fall decor. And it's a little early for like Halloween, but I felt like why not just embrace it, lean into it a little bit, and have it stick around a little bit longer because it is so cute. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, there's still pine cones in that wood from Christmas. I totally just forgot about them, and they've just been in there, and I see them every once in a while and go, I should probably move those pine cones. And then I forget to. So, oh well, they're back. Okay, so everything is done. You can see it is a lot of food because it is 4 portions, but that's why I love it, because we can have it and you can modify depending on your dietary needs. If you don't want gluten, if you don't want meat, like they have so many different options, and you can definitely do smaller portions, but I get the 4 just so we have our meal prep ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna plate everything for us. I just did like a lemony, like olive oil sauce in there, put some fresh parsley. Why does fresh parsley make everything look so much better? Like I could just show you that bowl and it would look fine, but then you put fresh parsley on it and all of a sudden it looks like very fancy and beautiful. You know what I mean? These are the digestive enzymes that my friend Taylor's company sells. So My Girl Wellness, they're so good. I always have them before I eat really anything, but especially if I'm gonna eat something that like maybe is not in my normal diet, like pasta, then I take it just to help my body digest it. But my stomach was so fine with this, you guys. Oh, and Ryan and I are watching Lost. I don't know if you guys know what that is. I remember it was like really popular when we were young, but we never watched it. So now we're watching it. After all of that, I'm gonna wash my face because I realized I didn't do it in the shower. I do it in the shower sometimes, but all of my main products are by the sink. So I really like to kind of just do my whole routine at once. So I'll put on my toner after washing my face and just press that into my skin and let it kind of absorb into everything. And then I used my Future formula, so I'm just gonna put a little dab of that. This really has been helping my skin a ton. Just stay way more clear and even. And then this is the Kapari moisturizer that I'm obsessed with. I'll try to link everything down below for you guys too. And then the number 12, because even in fall, I like to feel tan and glowy and keep that going, and that really does help. And then I'll put on a little eye cream like on my lids and under eye, and rub that in. And then I've been using castor oil on my eyebrows because I got them laminated like 5 or 6 weeks ago, but she recommended doing that at night to help keep everything soft. So I've just like kept doing that, and it feels nice, and I feel like it's good for my eyebrows. And then I'll put a little serum all over my skin just to help keep it hydrated and moisturized. And then I put my essential oils on because I want more smells. I'm not gonna leave my candle burning all night, obviously, and I blow it out before I eat dinner because I don't like the smells while I'm eating. But now I have my fall smells getting ready in my room, so when I do go to bed, it'll be like fall lovely nighttime-ness in there. For a while, I feel like I got out of the habit of putting all the dishes away and stuff at night because we were just so busy and tired and everything, but we're back on it, and I like it. It makes me happier. I've also been drinking Metamucil, or is this Metamucil? Whatever. It's like psyllium husk, same, but pure psyllium husk every night, and some magnesium to help with my movement. Because with my hypo and everything, it's always been a struggle. I'm always trying to figure out what exactly helps consistently. And that's the key, is like a lot of things will help for like a week or two and then not anymore. And this is the one combo that's been like consistent. So I'll do that. And then obviously I also have my slumber party every night, but I'll do that earlier in the night because I don't want to be like waking up every 5 minutes with all those liquids. So I make sure I like give myself a little time. And then about 30 minutes before bed, I'll make my slumber party. So if you guys haven't tried the slumber party yet, I'm so happy I finally get to share all of these with you. Definitely check it out. Read the reviews. Women are freaking loving it. I love it because I get such a good night's sleep, but I wake up feeling so refreshed. Like, it is not groggy. You're not feeling hungover. Like, you don't get any of that. You just feel really good. So I do it with water, and then I'll top it off with some milk and just sip on that for like those 30 minutes before I actually want to be like, okay, Katie, bed, head on bed. Like, it is time to go to sleep. And it really does help me just relax and unwind, and it like replaces wanting to have a dessert at night because it's kind of like a dessert. It's just like a nice treat. So I'll do my meditations, my little core meditation ball for like 10 or 15 minutes usually, not too long because I really have a hard time sitting still, but I'm working on it, really working on it. And then I'll usually read for a while, but I'm going to take all the pillows off the bed and stuff. Ryan always thinks I'm crazy because I love having a million pillows when I sleep, but then there's not really room for him. So I've learned that I have to actually get rid of the pillows in order to share the bed, and that's fine. So I'll usually read either just like some type of book, a mystery, something, my Bible, like whatever it is, and spend about 15 or 20 minutes reading. Just one, it helps me. I feel like I have better dreams and I feel more rested, but it also just helps relax me overall even more. After that, I'll floss and brush. I floss every single night. I am a pro flosser. I'm really good at it, but I still always have cavities. I don't know why. It's not fair. And then I'll brush, and I have like my automated toothbrush that times it. So it's like 30 seconds kind of on each area of your mouth. So you get the full 2 minutes, which is very important. I usually get super bored, but I do it. Then retainers go in, lights go out. I usually will let my essential oils keep going for a while I go to sleep, but I turn my phone over so I don't get distracted, turn out the lights, and go to sleep. I hope you guys like seeing my fall routine. Comment down below, like this video, and make sure you hit subscribe.